Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do custom stickers and DIYs. Now for today's video, we will be doing a white, silver, and gold pour painting on a black negative space. And if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. So, as you might have noticed the texture, this was the previous split black and white, and I contemplated for a long time if I'm going to keep it or not, so here we are. And I already painted this black, just use a big flat brush with it. Already prepared my paint. And we'll be using this, I don't know what you call this, but this is the one that you use for wallpapers, for flattening out wallpapers. And I thought it would be, nice and easy if I use this on spreading out the negative paint, or the negative color that we have. Because it's very wide and flat. This is a huge canvas, so and then we'll be trying something new today. Because I got this PBO silicone oil, and I used 3 drops each for the silver, gold, and white. So I think we're gonna go with the silver first. No, a little bit of white. That's fine. And then let's go with the silver. And then with the gold. I wanted to have lots of gold. Then, let's see if we still have, yeah, a few blacks remaining. some of it. Let's put a few drops, random drops. But not too much because we already have black in there. Now, moment of truth. I'm gonna blow this out. Shit. Fuck. My blower stopped working. Shit. Fuck. So I think we have to manually blow this. Fuck. Shit. Oh shit. My head is aching. Fuck that. Oh fuck, my head hurts. Fuck. My head fucking hurts. Oh fuck. Alright, that's normally, well, that's a whole lot of cells than what I'm usually getting. Oh, that's good. Oh, nice. Now the blower suddenly started working again. Nice. What a bitch. That was fast. I think I need to blow something out. down in there. Okay, let's twitch that again. It's having some dents. I think that's because of the silicone. And I think we should remove that. This just trying to connect the paint together to remove the dent. They're like air pockets everywhere. Especially on this right side. Alright, so that's that. Oh, interesting. And then this part dried out. I think I blowtorched it too much. Alright, so let this dry. Let me show you the close up. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mab. You guys have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye-bye!